How to open PDF in iPhone. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be explaining to you how you can open a PDF on your iPhone. To open PDF, you don't need any other softwares. Simply locate the PDF that you want to open. Here my PDF is located on my Gmail, so I'm just opening my Gmail app. Select the Gmail where your PDF is located. Now tap on the PDF to view it. If you want to save the PDF, tap on the export icon at the top right corner. When you do that, then this kind of menu will appear at the bottom. Swipe up and select the option Save to Files. Now after it has been saved to your files, you can also locate your PDF in your files. On your device, open the Files app and under the Recent section, you can see your PDF. If you know the name of the PDF, you can even search for it in the search bar. So this is how you can open PDF on your iPhone. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.